In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a newsletter using GetResponse. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to refresh your skills, we'll walk through each step together so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to manage your newsletter efficiently. To start, head over to the GetResponse dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen and click on Tools. This is where you'll find a variety of options related to email marketing, so it's a good place to familiarize yourself with in case you need to explore other features later on. Click on Email Marketing from the options presented. This will take you directly to a space dedicated to all of your email and newsletter needs. Next, go ahead and click on Create Newsletter. Here, you will have the option to design your newsletter either with pre-designed tools or by yourself. For this tutorial, let's click on By Myself, which allows you more creative control and customization. Once you've chosen that option, you'll be prompted to type in a preferred newsletter name. This is mostly for your organizational purposes, so choose something clear and easy to remember. After naming your newsletter, click on Lists to select which of your subscriber lists will receive this newsletter. Now, it's time to craft your message a bit more. Type in your subject line. This line is crucial as it will be the first thing your recipients see, so make sure it's attention-grabbing but also relevant to the content of your newsletter. After you've settled on your subject line, click on Add Recipients. Choose your list to specify your target audience and hit Add. At this point, you have the option to attach any files that might be relevant to your newsletter. Click Attach File and then Add File. If necessary, select a file from your computer to include in the newsletter. This could be an infographic, a PDF guide, or any accompanying documents you think your audience will value. Once that's done, click on Design Message. You'll be prompted to use a template for your newsletter. Choose one that suits your aesthetic and message format. After selecting a template, you'll be able to edit it to fit your brand's format. Within the template editor, you can modify text, add images, and overall make it reflect your brand identity. When you're satisfied with how your newsletter looks, click on Sections followed by Next. This brings you to the final stage of the setup. You can opt to schedule for later, choosing a specific date and time for when the newsletter should go out. Alternatively, click on Send Immediately if you're ready to distribute it instantly. Finally, hit Send Message, and your newsletter is on its way. And there you have it. Your newsletter has been successfully sent out to your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you're now more confident in managing your newsletters and GetResponse. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more digital marketing tutorials.